Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever notice your Valorant agent peeking corners all by themselves, or your crosshair just won't stay still? That's likely stick drift, a common issue where your PS5 controller registers input even when your thumb isn't touching the stick. It's incredibly frustrating, especially in precision games like Valorant, where every micro movement counts. Even a tiny bit of drift can completely throw off your aim, making competitive play nearly impossible. Before diving into hardware, check your software settings. Many games, including Valorant, allow you to adjust dead zones. This is a small area around the stick's center where no input is registered. Increasing your dead zones slightly can often cancel out minor drift, allowing your character to stay still. Experiment with these settings in Valorant until you find a comfortable spot where the drift disappears, but you still maintain precise control. Sometimes, stick drift is simply caused by accumulated grime. Dirt and dust can get trapped under the thumbstick, interfering with the internal sensors. A great first step is to use compressed air, giving quick, targeted bursts around the base of the affected stick. You can also gently clean the edges with a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure the controller is off and completely dry before turning it back on. If software adjustments and basic cleaning don't solve the problem, the issue might be more internal. The small components inside the stick module, called potentiometers, can simply wear out over time. For the more adventurous, there are controller repair kits available that include replacement stick modules. However, be aware that this often involves disassembling your controller and might require some delicate soldering. Always proceed with caution if you decide to try this. To prevent future stick drift, get into the habit of regular, light cleaning around your thumbsticks. Also, be mindful of how you store your controller, avoiding situations where the sticks are constantly pressed or bumped. If you've tried every fix, from software tweaks to internal cleaning, and the drift just won't go away, it might be time to consider investing in a new controller. Sometimes, replacement is simply the most practical solution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.